Hello my nail peeps, and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. Today we're going to be reviewing the Spruced Up Stamping Starter Kit. And let me just very quickly review with you what is inside the box. Inside the box you've got your stamping starter kit. You've got plate number M167. You've got a scraper and a monocle stamper. Ooh, limited edition monocle stamper. You also have two colors, and those colors are Frozen and Greenhouse. Very cute. You can see that I already have my nails painted with the Frozen and the Greenhouse color, so let's play with the kit, shall we? The first thing that I want to review is the polishes, and oh my gosh, they're fantastic. They're full coverage, they're completely opaque. This is 2 coats, but honestly, I only needed 1 coat. This is one of my favorite colors of all time, this Frozen color. It's such a beautiful shimmery white. In fact, I own both of these colors, so let me show you what they look like when they're swatched on top of the stamp. And you can't even tell, but this is very shimmery. It's very like a white iridescent, so pretty. And the Greenhouse is just a very deep, dark, rich green color. It's time to have a look at the plate. So let's go ahead and take off the film. So satisfying. Okay, so here we have our beautiful plate. As you can see, we've got all different kinds of Christmas fantabulousness on here, and I love the Christmas tree, so that's definitely going to be a part of what I've got going on. And I think I'm going to be using this image. I don't know, let's plan out some stuff, shall we? Before we get to the stamping, let's also talk about the limited edition scraper and stamper. So most of the stamping kits, well, they all come with a scraper, but most of them come with an ice cube stamper, and this is a monocle stamper, you guys. This is a very nice, very squishy stamper. I have a little bit of oil on my hand, so I'm not going to touch it too much. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm going to clean this just by taking one of my sticky, what are these called? Sticky stamper stations, and I'm just going to roll it on there. And that's the only thing that I'm going to do before I start using this guy. So hopefully it works out beautifully. Now this is one thing that I notice about the monocle stampers is they don't sit super well. You do want to use a light touch when you're using them, but they don't sit super well in there. So if you press too hard, you're going to end up getting that monocle stamper a little bit squished in. So just be aware of that as you're using it. Light touches only. I thought I would start our design off with this guy on my thumb. This looks very sweater-like, so I am going to be using our Frozen color on top of my green thumb. Let's make sure to get all this going on. Oh, I probably should have used my Mani mask, but alas, I did not. So, okay, now I'm going to place it ever so carefully. Oh, you guys, I just love this color so much. Boy, this stamper is really nice. Okay, so there we go. The image picked up cleanly, and now I'm going to make sure that it can be cleaned as easily. Seems like everything came off very, very well. I'm also going to clean my scraper in between because that's always a good idea. And then let's decide what we want to do next. What should the index finger be? I think we're going to go with this design because it looks like those should be green. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. I do love those. I kind of want to use both Christmas tree images. Is that wrong? I love both of them so much. Okay. And I forgot my Mani mask again, but I mean, it is what it is. Oh, you know what? That image did not pick up beautifully. I think I didn't scrape it well enough, so let's try that one again. Haha, fool me once and possibly fool me twice, but now I'm gonna put my Mani mask on. So let's go ahead and put that guy on. And we might as well do all of them. So I'll do that, and then we'll move on to the stamping. Okay, here we go for take 2. I do have a Mani mask on, and it is dry. At least for this nail, it's dry. Okay, we're gonna make sure it's scraped nice and well. And light touches. Okay. Cute. I love the color combination together. It looks really good. Okay, for the middle nail, I thought I was gonna go with 'Tis the Season, but I'm not quite sure, so let's skip that one for now. Oh, he's got a little fuzzball on him. Let's skip that one for now and let's go on to this one. I know I want Christmas trees here, and I think I'm gonna go with this design, and we'll do that in white. Well, excuse me, it's not white, it's frozen. Goodness, good gracious. All right, here we go again. Boom, boom. I got little fuzz balls all over me because I use my Mani mask on all of them instead of one at a time, so whatever. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So cute. Okay, let's decide what to do on the pinky. Yep, it's gonna be these festive little guys right here. Now, those are pretty fine lines. I am gonna do it in green since I've got frozen on my hand already. Those are pretty fine, so let's see how well the monocle stamper picks it up. Ooh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Light touches only. Oh, primo supremo is what I like to say. Gosh, look at those tiny little, oh, that's really good. Really, really good. Okay, my Mani mask is dry. Let me get this out of the way. And let's put her on. I want to see the light bulbs for sure. Blunk. Okay, I'm going to clean that off. And if you get little flyaways like that, just tuck them down. Just push them down and make sure to separate anything that's on your nail from anything that's on the cuticle area. That's a nice little tip for you. Okay, let's do 'Tis the Season. I have decided. 'Tis the season, here I come to get you. Little stamping image, do not try to run from me. Now, as you guys know, centering things sometimes can be pretty difficult, but thankfully the monocle stamper has a huge clear window to see through. So let's go ahead and make sure we get that on real good. Okay. Ooh, even with shaky hands, even with old lady shaky hands, I think I did it. Okay, maybe my finger's a little crooked, but whatever. Oh my gosh, how cute! Okay, we just have to clean up a little bit and take our Mani masks off, and bada boom, bada bing, I'll reveal. I almost forgot to say that we gonna top coat it. Smudge free top coat. So here we go. This is Maniology's go-to, because you guys know once you have spent this time doing this stuff, you do not want it to be messed up because of a silly old top coat. So use yourself some of this smudge free top coat because it works. What can I say? Here we have it, our final manicure with a top coat. I didn't put any cuticle oil on yet, but that's coming as well. Okay, so what do I think about this spruced up stamping starter kit? I kind of love it. I think the colors are amazing. I think the plate is so cute. I've been waiting on one like these the Christmas trees. They're gorgeous. The scraper is awesome. The monocle stamper is pretty amazeballs, guys. Like seriously. And that monocle piece, the stamper head, doesn't stay in there beautifully like I would want it to. And even when I was cleaning it, it kind of came out a little bit. But on the whole, for the ability of it to stamp and for the price I paid for this whole kit, you can't beat it. Okay, and it comes with the stamping guide as well. So those are pretty awesome things. I am a big fan of this kit, and I am definitely going to be using it again, faux show. People, I'm not sure if it's still on sale, but if you want to try, go on over there to Maniology, and if it's not on some kind of wonderful, awesome sale, then maybe you could try to get 10% off of your order by using the code GrooveMama. Feel free to try to do that. Follow me on Instagram, that would be awesome. And subscribe, like this video. Those are also cool things. And until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got.